How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your P2S to Bambu Studio. So basically head over to your project right here. Doesn't matter what project you open on your Bambu Studio, and you want to click on this drop-down menu and then select remove printers system presets. You want to avoid the create printer option, so just select this option right here. So just wait for it to open and then you will see different Bambu Lab printers. So in here, it's as simple as scrolling down and then we have the P2S option. So just make sure that it is enabled. Click on confirm. You want to look for your Bambu Lab P2S right here. And then basically there you have it. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.